question. They said that Sean, Ken, and Don sat for a math test. All their marks were in average, were in whole number. The sum of Sean's and Ken's marks was 156. The average mark of 3 boys is 75. Find Don's mark. Part A, very simple. Part A, right, you find the total marks for the 3 boys. You take 3 multiplied by 75, that will give you 225. Okay? So after 225, right, because they said that the sum of Sean and Ken is 156, so you might take 225 minus 156, you can find Don. So 225 minus 156, 225 minus 156, that will give me 69. So Don is 69. Okay? So we know that out of the boys, right, Sean, Ken, and Don, right, Don is 69. And we know that these two add together, right, will be 156. Okay? Why do I want to do this, right? Because the next question is, given that Don scored the lowest, so this one is the lowest, right, while Sean scored the highest. What could be the highest possible mark that Sean? This one is what? Okay, for this to be highest possible, this have to be lower than Sean. But Ken needs to be higher than Don, because they say that Don scored the lowest, right? You put Ken at 70, just 1 mark more than Don. Okay, if Ken is 70, right, you just take part B, 156 minus 70. So 156 minus 70, what will we get? We will get, we'll get 86. So Sean is 86. This is the highest possible mark that Sean can actually get. Therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, done.